Welcome to Sisazokhuluma ngoba vele indaba isazoba khona. It's the way forward nje. Angihambi ke ngedwa ke namhlanje igama lami ngumduduzi kwaShabangu. Ngibingelele nje kuwo wonke umuntu, ngihamba nama guest ethu akhona kodwa ke la namhlanje ama guest sekwama regular. Hlezi sinawo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Sithi ke sizoyidingida le ndaba esinayo namhlanje but before ake ngiqale nje ngibamukele eduze kwami khona Fada Mindlo njobe seshilo mfowethu lapho Mduduzi ngiyanibingelele emakhaya. Yes. Okay, Fada Mindlo ngale siphethu CD welcome to Sisazokhuluma. Phethe abantu abakhulumayo shwa uzozwa wena.
Hello hey sanibonani. Ngiyabonga bhuti Mduduzi.
Okay, ngale siphethe Thozamile lapho. Phethe amadoda engalandeli.
Sanibonani. It's nice to be here, I hope.
Welcome. Okay. Bese siphatha uZola. Zola mzolisto, mina ngimbiza umzolisto.
Oye molweni. Mnandi uba lapha sana.
Bese ngimbiza umzolisto. Guys, before nje siqale kwi topic yanamhlanje. Ngithi ngiphethe labantu engibaphethe. I think ngidlulise le party. Labantu engibaphethe especially uZola, Thozamile, Fada Mindlo, abantu abenza i-marketing. Yabona mangabe each and every time ubona ama-body lawa ku-freeway lawa, ama-billboard nama-advert, amanye akhona asuke ebhalwe ukuthi Sisazokhuluma, the way forward. Benza umsebenzi onjalo, do bona bengenzi lowo walawo ma-billboard, but benza umsebenzi onjalo because nabo each and every time uma uhlangana nobondo olubhalwe kahle, because into abayenzayo i-art and its marketing, ba-market ama-companies ahlukene. So mawuhlangana nebhodi elibhalwe kanje ngalolo hlobo yazi ukuthi na amadoda enza lo msebenzi kwiSoweto yonke mina ngazona. Ngathi nje futhi kwiJozi lilonke mina ngazona because ibona abawo number 1 ejobini yabo. Ngiyanipromota nje for free. Emahala. So ngazibona benza umsebenzi omuhle in terms of marketing, bazothi nje kancane. Iwona umsebenzi abawenzayo. So uma ngabe nawe ne company out there ufuna ukupromote your own company, ungabusabheke ekudeni, bazosipha nama details esowafaka ukuthi nani nikwazi ukubathinta kanti futhi you can holler back nalakithi thina sokuxhumanisa nabo. Angazi mhlambe khona nje nifuna ukuthi kancane bese singena kwi topic since ngiyaniphusha. Time ngiyaniphusha.
Anything guys that has to do with outdoor advertising, wall branding, promoting brands, putting out your brand out there to the public, Gauteng, even nationally, we can do it for you. If you're interested, banners, car branding, wall murals, anything that has to do with outdoor advertising, if you're interested, you can call the same program. They will connect you guys. Thank you.
Okay. I think sebekusho konke. Bazosipha ningakhohlane bazosipha ama details abo at the end so afaka nje ukuthi nani nibe nawo. Okay. Topic ya namhlanje. Ngizothini nje ngeke izibe yinde. It's about why do men or boys or us guys abuse women? Manibheka nje the way kungakhona these days, especially these days man eshabantu besimame kuningi esikwenza kubona nodilasi nje kusanda kwenzeka something ngomunye umuntu wesimame esithola ukuthi naye behlukumezeka kanti khona omunye eMpumalanga naye futhi otholakale ebuliwe wafihlwa kwafuna ama suspect akhona atholakala like ngingabala kube kuningi yabo. But I think kumele mhlambe ke sibheke ukuthi why do we abuse women, especially us guys. I'm happy because khona nomuntu wesimame amongst us mhlambe naye futhi vele khona zokusho why do we abuse women. Mhlambe engiqale kuwe Zola, why do you think, what is this, what's the anger? Because we seems to be very angry. Think amadoda amaningi are very angry ngangazi ngayichaza ngithini lento, but there must be a reason why.
Ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba sazi sonke ukuthi a lot of women bulawa, well abanye ngicabanga ukuthi futhi bancane esikhonile ukuthi sazi ngabo amagama abafana bokarabo, even the recent one yasemthatha kanomhle, who has been shot 9 times by a boyfriend yakhe.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll ever wake up one day is no reason to abuse women. No excuse for that. Even if you were pushed to a corner, kanjani, you were angry, kanjani. I want to clarify that one. I don't think we'll ever wake up one day is no reason to abuse women. But now this thing every day is growing. Iyakula. So I keep asking myself what it is out there esingakhona ukuthi masikhuluma because if we can go to media programs out there has been a lot of talk shows bezama ukuthekisha this kind of this only one issue, which is GBV.
Yes.
If ever it keeps happening every day, it means siyakhona ukuthi si unpack everything and try to get the reason why, but I'm sure there's this thing, one thing is ngakhona ukuyithola kahle ukuthi what it is. That is why a topic today ngithola is very interesting. If we can stretch our minds, according to my experiences of the stories that we've heard out there, I think maybe if we stretch we should take this topic ichaza ukuthi how can we stretch our minds and get to the bottom of the problem, because if ever it keeps happening while kunama awareness program, the government is spending a lot of money is zama address these issues, but the next killing is exactly like the one before, and if we keep condemning these incidents and then they keep happening, it states clear that we need to dig deep. What's the cause of the problem? I think amadoda are not. I think this has to do with the mind of an abuser. I don't want to call it amadoda at the same time right now in my statement. I just want to call the abusers. I think kuma abusers state of mind sabo, the way aba solve ngakhona izinto, I don't think bangabantu abnormal. There's this abnormality about mindset yabo.
Okay. Ngiyabona uthi khona funa ukusho, but before ukusho again involve Thozamile as a guy siyakhula sasibona izinto zenzeka, like what's the reason, like eyenza ukuthi siba abuse abantu besimame edawe siba abuse ngakhona ithathe nje as a guy. Ngiyazi ukuthi le topic ngivele nje ngayifaka, ngibonile nokuthula kwenu ukuthi ngathi lo muntu ufuna usifake ekhoneni as a guy. Khuluma nje as a guy. What is the reason? Mhlawumbe maybe if you can find like that reason, then sizoyithola solution.
Delicate as it is when I'm doing, because at the end of the day we don't know ukuthi kwenzekani behind my curtains, house to house, home to home. My question now in my mind ukuthi more than ukuthi sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzekani engqondweni or state of mind salo muntu wenza that thing, but what is it that can drive that particular person ukuthi abuse umfazi, adlule limaze nabantwana, like kwenzekani lapho yabo.
Okay,
but
usuqedile.
I think bese ngiqedile.
Ake
ngifake sithi khona bufuna ukusho
ijulile le ndaba nje uqala nje ngisho kanjani.
Okay.
Ngale ndlela ijule ngayo ibroad. Not only men abuse women, also women abuse men. Inkinga bese icala ukuthi thina sinamandla endlini ninawo. Angazi noma uyayizwa lento engiyishoyo.
Ngiyakuzwa la yakho.
So kokunye sijike sibheke futhi abantu besilisa kakhulu ngale ndlela bas abuse ngayo. Kujike kukhohleke ngale ndlela ethina siba abuse ngayo ukuthi ijike iqine seyila ikhona. angazi noma uyayithola lento engishoyo. I'm not saying there's an excuse or there should be a reason why men abuse women. Akumelanga sishawe nje sidalwa nathi akumelanga sishaye akumelanga abuse abanye abantu emotionally. I don't know if you get what I'm saying.
Maybe we can turn ikhona kancane si bheke generally ku gender based irrespective of indoda
or umfazi.
Khona vele ni right ukuthi ni tackle ngaleyo ndlela vele lapha indaba is about gender based violence vele but into
specifically so
there is this something ekhoza ukuthi kube khona obulawayo ekhoza ukuthi kube khona oshaywayo. It starts somewhere.
Going back to what I was saying,
find that thing and then we can come up with a solution.
It's going back to what I was saying. Askis kungena emlomeni njengoba ngisho. Iqala ukuthi mina ngikwenzeni ukuthi siyesifike lesandleni. Angazi noma uyayithola nami. Kokunye abantu besilisa, khona abantu besilisa abaningi abangakhulumi, abafela phakathi ngento eningi. Thina emlomeni sivulela isiphiwe ke nje sidalo. Angazi noma uyayithola into engishoyo. Kokunye ngizokhuluma ezinye izinto ezizojula kuwe ungazikhona ukuzikhuluma wena ukubekezelele inonsonto. Nje ngikuphakamisela isandla ulokuthi kulungile. Kuyofika eli1 ilanga la uzothi uyangishaya khona. Kokunye wenzeke ukuthi wenzeni maybe ngiyathikazeka noma ngishaya somewhere ukushona kwami lokho.
Okay.
You understand? Sengishonile already sohlele nesidumbu.
But lento sorry ukudisturb. Akukho la ibonakala khona ukuthi yabona manje ingathi ufuna ukuqala. Akukho la, there's no point whereby umuntu anotice khona ukuthi ngathi ngiya-abuseka manje. Qala la.
There is a way, because when something is toxic, we get into relationships and then uqale ngimpi phela ayiqali kwi-physical fight. Iqala ngomlomo. Imosho womlomo ngalendlela le ejule ngalendlela esingakhona ukuyichaza. Uyibona ukuthi toxic but ngenxa yothando uyahlala. Ulokuthi uyabekezelela mara mawuthi uyibhekile lento awuyazi into oyibekezelela mara uyahlala ukusalayo ngenxa yothando.
And Matshidiso unginikeza another point right now into ekhulumayo. Wenza a very valid point. I think some of the reasons enza ukuthi amadoda agcine abusile bafuna ukuthi babe more dominant with relationship ukuthi everything ihambe according to what they expect and what they want yenze ngendlela yabo. They are not strong enough ukuthi whenever izinto zingahambi ngendlela yabo or ipartner yakhe ingaboni ngendlela yakhe wenza into against yona. Abakwazi kuyamukela abanayo indlela ukuthi baphume in a situation without abusing the partner. Bafuna ukufoster izinto. So I think one of the reasons why men abuse women sifuna kuba dominant at all costs. Sibonise ukuthi na sisebenzisa dominance yethu as men. So si oppress the next person which is partner yethu. I think it's one of the reasons.
And then ake ngi-introduce uMandla. Ke ngizwe point yakho thithi.
Cha no ngiyabonga nami sengibazwile abafowethu bebeke uyabona. So mina yami question engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe thina madoda sinokuyimisa kakhulu ne. Singe understand and lucky enough because nginawe today ngiyazi ukuthi iBhayibheli uyalibona uyalifunda futhi ngizothandwa ukuthi ngiquote from kulo uma ethi because all the time ama abuses esinokwathola indoda isukuthi no I'm a head of this family. So basically uma ngabe uNkulunkulu ezothi kwindoda wena you will be the head of the family. Ngabe kahle wayeminishana because I think ukuthi iqala lapho uma ngabe mina ngingasayiboni ngirespectwa ngitreatwa as the head of this family then manje singiyaqala sengiyaresponda
ngalibuza kancane Mindlo just uku-interfere kancane ndendaba le patriarchy ukuthi because ngibheke i-society these days our modern society lento beyikhona kudala ukuthi yini echintshile manje ukuthi abantu babulale why amadoda ebulala le patriarchy le beyivela ikhona kwakudala le ukuthi indoda I'm the head and then whatever I say goes. Why manje say psychologically kwenzekeni emadodeni.
Yes.
Okay, to everybody.
Don't you guys think ukuthi mhlambe lento into okuvele kade ikhona? I'm just saying. Mhlambe into okuvele kade lokho ikhona. Ilibe liyaqhubeka iyenzeka. Only different manje ukuthi sesinama cell phone, social media, like information sesiyithola quicker than before. Dala bengatholakali. Like ezinye izinto kudala beyifihlekile. Angazi angicabanga ukuthi mhlambe into vele elokhu iyaqhubeka. Yebo, we are against it, but safuna ukuthola this thing. Is it new?
Oh, yeah.
Dali khona, what's the cause?
Icon new into yakudala, but now with rights of women, because dala women were oppressed. They were not allowed to talk with you abuser in none. Even the community may be on, but there was no out there because they would hey, Mabani,
Okay.
so it was taboo to talk about that with community.
Yeah.
Manje, because women actually rights. Some men, some men, bazibona besekhoneni ukuthi ba resorted to violence. Cause abeko help. I think part of I'm coming to another reason why do I think men abuse women.
Yeah.
I think those men are not happy now that women have rights.
Independence, babe. Isappressa amadoda amaningi ene eyenza amanye amadoda anga accept ending. So once as a woman you're strong enough and you're independent ngalendlela leyo, they feel ngathi manje ungaphezulu kwamandla akhe. So that's the reason why umuntu azofuna ukufaka ekhoneni afuna ukucontrol. You understand? Afuna ukwenzisa izinto according to the way yena afuna ngakhona. And it's not supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
But now ube suppressed in a way that you're killing somebody and then you are going to jail. You are willing to.
I don't think they see ukuthi khona into wrong.
Iyenzeka yona.
I don't think they see into wrong.
Iyenzeka ayona into right asivumeli, but yini lento le mhlambe masingathola okay senabalila ama point mhlambe okunye njengobusho nje futhi ukuthi okunye kwako ama rights okunye kwakho njengoba usho thidi ukuba independent kwabantu besimame mhlambe we feel threatened. Ngenza kube futhi that's another cause. Leyo ukuthi uma ngabe ukuthi unkosikazi wami or girlfriend yami mangabe ukuthi yona isihola kangcono mhlawumbe ibuya sayingitreata bad endlini or mhlawumbe isingitreata nje not as a partner, as someone vele oless nje ngoba ngihola imali encane or angisebenzi mhlawumbe those are other reasons
to the point of killing somebody mntu.
It's wrong to kill somebody, but
I'm not saying it right, but just when that thing ngizama ukuthola ukuthi psychologically kwenzekani to that person miser this whole thing.
Quite frankly, I think they black out when they do that because no normal person would kill another person on a clear mind.
And
on a clear mind, I don't think a clear mind lo muntu loyo. It's either uzobe intoxicated or abemi ama drugs or something on top of the pressure anayo. Then they black out and do something else. I don't know, I'm just thinking because honestly speaking kwala ulimaze umuntu kancane you'd feel sorry ukuthi umlimazile. So what more ma uzomkhinya uzibona ukuthi uyamkhinya umuntu.
And okunye I think this abuse against women siyayeka ukuthi ezinye izinto are being normalized kwi society. There are so many kinds of abuse, although they look smaller amanye issues, but if you can look at it you can see ukuthi abuse starts psychologically kuma guys kanje. For instance, I'll make an example. You will find 4 guys sitting. Hello sweetheart. Hello. Once they don't get a response, suka isifebe lomntwana kuyafana lahlile inani. That's abuse at its best. It starts there. You name calling umuntu abuse leyo. But we don't see it from there ukuthi isiqala la abuse. We'll all agree 4 guys, 4 grown up guys bavumelana ukuthi hayi vele umntana akafana man bheka akabhaka nokupaka. All those kind of things calling ama body parts sesizibona ukuthi manje we can dictate whatever kuma women, we can dictate ukuthi how to kumele bagqoke kanjani, kumele bakhulume kanjani, kumele benze kanjani, kumele ba-afford kangakanani. That is why iphathi yokuthi mase ba independent to feel threatened. And I think number 3, why do I think women baphiza ama besifazane? We tend to use our power, amandla wethu, to deal with issues. Please, guys out there, I hope the whole world get this message. Let's try to use our minds whenever a situation happens and not forget about uthunamandla at all. Think as a person no weak or at all and try to deal with a mind to get out of each and every situation.
Okay. Ake ngikhulume lesi story ne. Khona somebody wake wakhuluma but vele into eyenzakalayo. Wakwakhuluma ukuthi uthandane nalo sisi. Lo sisi mayethandana naye ebengesilutho. Should like ebengenalutho. Angathi ebengesilutho. Ebengenalutho wamuse esikolweni.
Yes.
Waqeda umatric wakhe. From lapho wamuse tertiary until wathola degree. Lo owenza yonke lo msebenzi wenza nje le msebenzi futhi i-security. Ithi ngibeke nje kanjalo. I-security. Uthe usisi uma ngabe esegraduateile wa-apply wathola umsebenzi.
Yeah.
Waqala wahola imali lapha.
Okay.
Mayese hola imali lapha ya waqala futhi wahamba nabantu abagraduateile. Yasibona leso standard manje akasekho kulesa standard. Usekwesinye standard. So usehamba nabantu lokho ukuthi uma ngabe mhlambe kuna function somewhere.
Yes.
Uyazi uma ngabe ukuthi kune function ekuhlangene abantu abafundile kufanele na uza ne partner yakho then kufanele uintroduce. Then usisi wafila offended ukuthi mina mangi-introduce wami umuntu ngizothi uyini because abantu engisebenza nabo bonke my introducer, this one is an accountant, a doctor, teacher,
lawyer.
Then lawyer. Then wagcine sethu sisi hey budi, thank you for yonke into ongenzele yona but mina nawe I don't think iseke standard SSC1. Ngicela nje ukuthi whatever ngikoloda yona ngikubuyisele mina ngiqhubeke nempilo.
Yeah.
A guy decided ukuthi uyahlanya wabulala usisi.
Yes.
I think mina izo zonke izinto lezo ezihambisana nje futhi ngiyayithanda ipoint ka Sidi uma ngabe ethi mhlambe umjida usuke se blackout. Uphatheka
blackout like in a way
uphatheka kabi. Uyamthanda futhi lo muntu kumbe lo muntu omthandayo. Oqala nje uzolahlekelwa isithandwa sakho.
Yeah, monganiphendula kancane nomdumo. Usuke blackout kanjani? The anger.
I-anger yes,
Bene something
Once-
anger le.
Because of anger yes.
Besides smoking anything, like no matter it does happen to me somehow. When you black out, that's when ingqondo yakho I think it stops functioning for a while. And into mawuyenza, ama feelings akho aya shut down. Yonke into yakho nje it shuts down.
Yeah.
Upapa masowuqedile ukuyenza into masowuthi then your mind it comes back to its senses, then can ubona lento yenzile ukuthi I made a mess.
Yeah.
So okay na indoda ya blackout na ithatha isibhamu na ngumfazi ugibela itaxi uyahamba uyomisa itaxi le i-blackout understand i-blackout
Angithi ngaleso sikhathi
lokuthi emehlweni nawo.
noboni uyabona yonke into uyayibona but nje
but
okay asiyibeke ngokuthi usukwe izinga lokuba possessed
yes
angibeke ngalokho
okwi-anger but kwenye level
yes
yeah uvele I
'Cause
think
if
umuntu normal cannot just kill kusuke sekunenye degree ye possession siyenzakala lapho.
Can I say something? I was once in a relationship, ne? It was very abusive. The dude used to beat me like hell. And him doing that to me, he created a anger. Enye ngakhona ukuyichaza.
okay
And then it came, le anger beyiloki khula. Until once I went to his house, I found him nomuntu. Ngangali ngaleso sikhathi ngaduba ngaphuma ukuphuma kwami wangilandela emuva. You understand? Ukungilandela kwakhe emuva ukuthi mina ukuphenduka kwami mara lokho engithuka mina ngamlimaza. Hence I'm saying ukuthi you black out for a certain time because of the anger that you have, something that was built within you. It was created not only for a month or 2 months, 4 years, we get into a relationship, we stay into toxic relationships because it's nabantwana sabukuphuma, because it's nani sabukuphuma, okokunye security usabukuphuma because lapha we are benefit and uthola into eyiningi. You understand? Where else you are going to limala emotionally.
Okay.
So
We understand.
wenza yonke lento yenzayo ublackoutile.
Believe in me, you ngibone sengimlimazile ebleed angasazi ukuthi manje ngimlima ngimdabule phi ngingazi ukuthi ngimdabule phi elele phansi.
Because le ndaba yokublackout
Then
ngiyithatha as if abantu bayaxabana endlini manje abanye uthatha isikhala alimaza umuntu.
Yes.
I understand le blackout ethatha the whole 30 minutes usuke endlini kwakho uyodubula umfazi wakho emsebenzini.
angithi le engonayo yile engonayo akusifani masingabantu angithi some people ukona
uya drive imoto uhambe emsebenzini uyomdubula.
No,
understand.
blackout in terms of good blackout doesn't necessarily mean we are stop. You understand? You don't think it stops functioning. No, everything it still functions. Inking go to manje, the anger is raging very high and our we control our inner self.
I think uthatha with a different situation here whereby umuntu kwenzeka something lying then he goes somewhere, take a weapon, come back to kill a woman. That is why even leyo akusi blackout leyo. That is why
it's
premeditated murder. Ucabange kahle into before we because you had time to go and pick a weapon ubuye nayo again. Another thing engithola futhi I think this is ngicabanga ukuthi reason number 4 eyenza ukuthi abantu besilisa babulale umuntu wesifazane baba abuse. Guys, please let's support our partners. Let's not invest on them. When you support a woman, you are not investing. It's not a business deal. Whereby now it was going to be kahle. If a deal went sour, goes sour, you can fight. You're supporting them because you are in love with them. Do not invest. So I'm going to your statement ukuthi this guy wafundisa umuntu wesifazane then ekugcineni bese kuthi ngikubhadale. The mistake of that guy. Futhi mistake ngibona kuphi with that guy ukuthi how can you build indlu yase next door?
Yeah.
Ibe double story without starting with your own house qala. Ukuthi by the time next door sekathi uyakuchomela nawe you would be a double story now so that ngeke bazi bakuhlenga next. Ukuthi bekumele ukuthi this guy
asiqale ngaye.
Oh naye as improve. You don't improve even girlfriend ipartner yakho don't improve omunye umuntu ungazi improve wena.
Remember Mzolistone ebenga expectanga ukuthi izinto can turn out like
bengakasiqedi vele istory sabo. Kahle ebemfundisela ukuthi uzothi yena uma ngabe se right usisi
abuye yena
bese ezi-empowera yena. But before az-empowera yena cause phela uthando lukwenza wenza izinto before az-empowera yena usisi useyamshiya
okwi-investment newe
ukwenza out of love. But angithi njengoba usho wakho umuzi wakho
mina ngivumelana noZola angiphikisana nani.
Yeah.
The only problem we have right now is a case yokuthi now you did something for me, now I'm your possession because when you decide to go build.
But
now I'm supposed to be possession here.
No.
It's a story.
It's wrong.
Okay, man.
It's wrong. Yes, you took me to school. Mamela, yes, you took me to school. You understand? Out of love.
Yeah.
Not an
and
investment.
I am willing to pay you back whatever that you were paying.
Exactly. That's the point. That's the point.
I'm willing to give it back.
Man.
I'm willing to give it back, but I'm not your possession, and I've got the right to go to make relationship
which is when we understand that it was an investment. The fact that was good. Okay, mfundile manje. What's the problem if I pay you back? Then Gujutia realize it was an investment.
Yes,
no.
But now why
not be a possession?
But why the guy Mdubula and Magafuna? Why the guy Mdubula? Because she is willing to pay back.
Exactly.
Wait, guys.
That's my problem.
Hayi ukuthi why investor ukuthi ufuna is something in return.
Okay.
Ngithe that's why ngithe mina umuntu wakhe oqala uyamthanda. Oqala uma ngabe ese decide ukwenza whatever la decidile uluza uthando before aluze imali ay invest lapha or ay spend lapha uluza uthando.
Guys, are we
sometimes abanye abantu not to say babulala abantu ngoba bekunemali just nje ukuthi umuntu bewumthanda ungazange wazomenzela lutho bese ethi angisakufuni omunye ugcina sembulala umuntu
But now
so kunothando sekunemali
Yes.
sesiziningi izinto nesikhathi sakhe
but thina guys
Possession and possession.
but we cannot understand it if ever kuzothi mase kuliwe kube khona ukuthi hayi ngangimfundisile kongimbulele kithi njenge society ibonakala as if wena you spent your money in order to control the lady, which is wrong, guys.
True.
Kulabo kanjalo ngiyavuma nami ku wrong not to say ngiyathi ku right
Mina
but
ngibheke-
na indaba la ikhona ne okay why ke umuntu wesimame yena kuse right sefundile why yena angabuyi back athi umuntu wami lo ungithatha kuphi nami yayithi ngimsize nakho phuphi sibe ku level e1 sonke why kufanele akushiye ahamba ayothola umunye
Anginenkinga yokukhuphula. Anginenkinga yokukhuphula. Hawa. Anginenkinga yokukhuphula kodwa angisafuni ukuzwana nawe. Ukukhuphula mamela sithando sami anginenkinga yokukhuphula kodwa ukuthi angisafuni ukuzwana nawe angisafuni ukuhlala nawe angisafuni kodwa anginenkinga yokuthi ngikukhuphule singakwenzela yonke into ufuna if ufuna 10,000 every month I'll give you 10,000 rands every month if you want me to pay for whatever I'll pay for whatever but I just don't want to be with you anymore.
Yes.
So I'm not supposed to be possession kuwe.
Is it because so right so ufundile so hola kahle
Obviously,
That's why
because
I'm
they're right.
Even if that's so.
Even-
So what?
So thank you.
So what? So my life.
but asikhuluma iqiniso
Akekho umuntu othatha isibhamu wasibeke ekhanda lakho ukuthi umbhadalele izinto.
Yizona zinto ke lezi
Interested
ezikhoza ama gender based violence
yeah.
ezinye zazo
Yes.
yizo zona
Yes,
lezi
the question
esikhuluma
would be,
ngazo.
Mayitakazafuni, why do you have to kill her?
Yes.
That's where maybe we're stuck.
I think that's a question you can ask it again. I think that's a big question. Why, guys?
Mayitakazafuni, why? That's where
Then it goes back
Why
to
are we
the
not strong
topic
enough to
today.
accept? Why are we guys not strong enough to accept ukuthi this is my partner, means whatever, but now akasekho willing to bring a relationship. I must move on and leave them alone.
I think mina ne ngizama ukuza nami ne solution of which ngazi ukuthi izoba right na. I think mina okunye ukuthi umuntu umbone ukuthi uvulnerable uphinde futhi wena uyazi uvele wenze nje izinto nje because asifani
Yeah.
wena uzokushiya you will accept omunye umuntu ngeke accept
Why
ungalindi qala umbheke lo muntu ukuthi kwi situation akuyona u right na ukuthi ngamshiya manje why fanele uvele umshiye ngalesikhathi like futhi kudinga kakhulu khona
Unfortunately, abantu besifazane are not psychologists ukuthi baza psychoanalyze ukuthi how strong are you mentally. It's your duty ukwenza sure ukuthi wena you are strong mentally.
So why should I compromise myself, my ethics, my morals just to make you happy? Why?
kusho ukuthi uthando belungekho ke straight from the beginning belungekho
Liyaphela phela.
manje uthini
Liyaphela phela. Uthando liyaphela.
Guys, let's accept ukuthi uthando liyaphela.
Liyaphela.
ya luphela because belungekho
No.
belukhona
Sister, say when you left.
Well, yes.
Things have changed.
The mentality, in other way, the thinking capacity yakona, it changes as well.
Unfortunately, kumele accept wena ndoda ukuthi how do I move?
It goes back to the thing.
Exactly.
It goes back to what I was saying. Mingithi, nina abantu besilisa you'd like to ukuthi umuntu menzele into bese umphatha so uyipossession.
Yes.
Yeah,
Which is wrong.
so mawuzoqala ungenza ipossession yakho, inkinga because ngeke ukhona ukungicontrola.
yeah
Kanti into mayiku-possession yakho, uyakhona ukuyicontrol ukhona ukuyenzisa yonke into angithi. We humans as well.
okay
Yeah, no mntu mina ngokubona kwami abafethu babekile uZola ubekile ama points avalid wabeka uThida wabeka amasha ama point avalid wabeka nawo ama point avalid noThozo wabeka ama point avalid wonke avalid ngiyayizwa mina ngihleli la mina I think kahle kahle into sidinga uthina singamadoda we need a platform ne I platform esizohlala nje bahlili nje yabona singamadoda sibonisaneni
yeah
ngikhona ukuthi ngibe free futhi nokuthi ngikhale because manje kahle kahle nje obusho ukuthi ngivulnerable
yeah
yabona emotionally ngifeel ngathi ngiyuziwe yabona into njengaleyo
yeah
so but I need some support system umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi no yazini you can still make it you are a man
point
yeah well uwile sikubonile uwile brother but senga rise again
Yeah.
Unida leyo support system leyo yabona. So I think we need thina singamadoda ukuthi si stop kule ndaba ukuthi indoda ayikhali.
Yeah.
Because kahle kahle ama emotions nathi sina ama emotions siyaba emotional. We need to cry.
Yeah.
Ulahlekelwe umuntu wakho mfethu ungangitshela ukuthi ngakhali. Ngiyekeleni ngikhale ngikhiphe le pain nginawo ngaphakathi. Then mase ngicedile ukhala.
So
senzani manje
ngathi indoda ayikhali.
Ngathi indoda ayikhali ngoba I think silahla lapha yabona isintu.
I think maybe namadoda
silahla lapha.
I think iyona point ke le. We need a platform singamadoda la isokhuluma si welcome sonke. Sivume ukuthi yes singamadoda but at the same time we are weak. Khona la si weak khona. Asikho strong.
No, I understand that just
futhi fun.
Going forward.
Sayidinga that support.
Oh sorry. Okay. Just going forward. Amadoda I need a support in which way kube ne structure ezinjani because more indoda una umngani like i structure esinjani because khona bo yile organization yamadoda
isisonke
gender based we are not every man is there but then i structure sakho wena ungas create as a man la around you is your close friend.
It's just
don't you think ukuthi amadoda they are quick to act. Maybe I end up elimaza umuntu esifazana part of before it. I cause problem yakhe kwabanye abantu. Don't you think ba react fast or quick to make
angithi ke ukuze bengazokureact quick we need that platform lapho esokhuthazana khona lapho esosupportana khona njengoba esho nje Mandla la makumele indoda ekhale singeze ukuyihleka because I think mina lento le it go as far as omunye wendoda agcina ezibulala at because angifuni ukuthi ngimenze intombi ngiyokhulunywa kabi rather ngiyibulale mina ke ziningi izinto ezikhoza leyo nto leyo akazi uzokhala kuphi.
Yes,
I think it's some sort of a group, something like yona isisonke.
Yes.
But la wonke umuntu welcome akhulume khona freely.
I'm going back to what Uthozi said. He raised a very valid point ukuthi even if akunama platforms out there afana was gender sisonke ama close friends wakho at the platform. You know women. There's one thing I like about women. Women don't wait for a platform even at work. Uma press computer yakhe. Yo, usizwa. Yazi into thing bethile izolo.
Yeah.
In that row yakhe ama computer bazocisha ama computer bonke bathi uthini? Ubethile izolo. As a will case. Asenze ukuthi nokuthi. But here's a guy ufika uvulile lokho yakhe emsebenzini utshintsha uniform. Hey guys, just image izolo ngishaya ngempama. Uzoba grand mfana, uzoba grand. As-supportanti nathi Timothy, we don't accept that the call out namadoda. We pretend as if we tough. And enye into thina madoda sidinga i-help. And into enza ukuthi ngatholi help. Asifuni kuvuma ukuthi si problem, we need help. Women singamadoda sine problem. Sidinga i-help. But thina we walk around thinking we are perfect, we are strong, we can solve everything in energy. Guys, I think let's acknowledge ukuthi we need help.
And you guys do need help vele because at some point inokuthatha izinto zakuphi nisifake kuma relationship and ubuye nayo inkinga yakho la uphuma khona nayo uzoyifaka ku relationship wenze mina ukuthi ngibe vulnerable. Uyazi ukuthi vulnerability yami ingayenza wena ukuthi ube vulnerable even more. That's possible. Because uzane yakhe enga uyilahlela kimi ngiyam nami mangiyibuyisela back kuwe ikwenzani mina
sekuba wes.
Okay, wathi uMandla, if we can quote from the Bible, there's a verse that says ukuthi indoda
ngifuna ukuya lapho
indoda inhloko yomuzi. If inhloko is the weakest, how do you think umqala unjani namanye part of the body? If inhloko yiyo weak, if inhloko the head, the so-called head, yiyo weak ukuthi uthatha isibhamu qala dubule yena thatha umesa kwaza yena qala nabantwana nenkosikazi. Do you think le nhloko right? Ayikho right, le nhloko leyo need help. Kuchaza ukuthi whatever uNkulunkulu wayisho ebengakhulumi God this society emadoda wamanje abuse abantu besifazana.
Mayethi amadoda inhloko.
Yeah. Not this kind of man ekhona manje. Because lawa manje amadoda need help. Are weak to tend to violence and kill women.
don't you think na ukhuluma kuwo wona lawa manje the only different ukuthi abantu besimame ba before bebe submissive emadodeni nabo compared to abantu besimame ba manje manje they are no longer submissive few not angathi they are no longer few are submissive emadodeni nabo most abayisebenzi lonto leyo before bebeyihlonipha indoda
bebeyihlonipha mara betrajwa kunjalo beba submissive bekhahlelwa kunjalo noma ngathi
bonke bebekhahlelwa
uthi ukhuliswa ugogo
bephethwe kahle engakhahlelwa umuntu
engakhahlelwa kodwa emotionally ubeke abuse mawungabuyela kahle emuva wahlala phansi nogogo uthi mekethi uyakakha njengomuntu wesifazane eclaring sizolo awuhudise kamahari emotionally you understand abatlo utisa sikamuthwa msadi nje awethe msadi ufeletseng ha tlo ucocela toritsa hayi
yeah
they're not nice.
And I don't call
they are
it
so not nice, but because they were submissive and respectful yonke into ibe iphelele kamereni ivalwe igandwe nginyawo nina abantwana beningeke niphume niyibone ukuthi kwenzakaleni
ubuyela kwenye point okukhulume ngayo eqaleni ukuthi ziningi inhlobo zama abuse so manje usukhuluma nge-emotional abuse it means kahle will never be perfect.
And I don't think it
will emotionally
abaqala
abuse financially
woman ngifuna ukuhlukanisa la woman okhona manje is the same woman owayikhona kudala ngisho kanjani it's because abamanje abasa-oppresseki abaqala bebe-oppresseka they were not babengena platform yokukhuluma nga this thing
okay
so I don't want to say babe submissive ngenkani babengathandi ba submissive so ukuba submissive you must be willing to be submissive
you must be willing
that's the normal submissive
but uyakuzwa ne point yakho valid ngamsana naye so umphethe kahle yonke into but only to find out ukuthi kanti you are not aware emotionally I'm abuse
yes
maybe futhi not emotionally financially I'm abuse so that's why ngithi mina kusho ukuthi we are not perfect at the end of the day
akekho umuntu perfect both men and women akekho umuntu perfect but there are things where a partner would force a partner ukuthi do this and not do this that thing is not even up for discussion they are being told ukuthi this is what you must wear don't wear this short don't wear this don't go there wear this don't look like this don't do this.
Can I ask Zola wena umphatha kanjani umuntu wakho are you abusive usubmissive kwena nekuyiphi level sengibuza wena ke
mina nepartner yami we discuss everything anything impilo siphilayo siya discuss everything senza sure ukuthi ipage engikuyo nayo ukuye communication yami nayo is the best.
Communication guys is key. Builder create
abangathela abanye mabe ukuthi akaya esikoleni ungalokho ungamusa esikoleni
mokuthiwa esikoleni
yeah kube kuthiwa akaya esikoleni
ufuna ukuya esikoleni uyafuna esikoleni ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngiya-afford ngamsa esikoleni ngamsa
Mike Shia
I don't have a problem I'll move on and look for another lady
Thozamile
exactly that's what I could do.
Mike Shia look she
in life you lose in life you don't always win sometimes you lose
okay
angeke behave as if angaze ngaliwe ngumuntu wesifazane
uyabona uthando ne uyabona le gift of love esinikezwe uNkulunkulu ne uthi uma isipha yona ukuthi no nantu uthanda sithandaneni kodwa wayeselibekela certain principles kukhona la eBhayibhelini lapho elithi uthanda lizifunile kwalo
okay
lukhona la libeka khona uthando awuthi ukulisho kancane uyalazi iBhayibheli lithini uthando
vele alisfunelo kwala lizigabisi yonke la
so mina ngicabanga ukuthi asilandeleni lawo ma principles eBhayibheli ngothando uma ngabe kuukuthi uthando seliphelile angivumi ukuthi liphelile angayifuneli okwami
let's not buy women they are not property
uma ngabe kuukuthi lo muntu wayengadizaynelwanga mina uma ngabe lo muntu ngesiwo wami angacept ukuthi usehambile uma ngabe ukuthi wenza imistake uhambe ngemistake ngenxa ye peer pressure or something uzobuya back
uzomamukela mangabuya
uyabona uma ngabe ebuya
uyibheka uthando nalo
uma ngabe ukuthi uhambile wabona imistake yakhe wabuya ngizobona ukuthi no ngizokwamukela yes angiqale lapho
uzozama indlela ukuthi ukwamukela
ngizomamukela ngizobona manje ukuthi okay bekungowami ngempela ingakho vele kunesisho sithi into uma ngabe uyithanda i-release ilethe free uma ngabe ukuthi bengesiyo yakho izohamba but uma ngabe ukuthi bekungeyakho leyo nto leyo it will come back because it designedwe when it's yours
but if nakhona
abuya after 5 years senengane ezo3 uyakuthanda wenza iphutha yakhulisa
uyabona ingakho ngithi mina
uyaphika Thozamile
hayi kanjani
wakho useyabuya
yazi lento mntu iskili kayithi iyasbind iyambinda nayo nayo
yeah minute
if uzothi Mandla okay if wakho uzohamba abuye uhambelani in the first place
nokungenzeka kube i-peer pressure ziningi izinto ezisenza ukuthi mhlawumbe silahleke endleleni mfethu abangani manokusilahlekisa ukuqala sometimes ngibe introduced entweni engingazange ngayibona before njengoba ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe ngingakaze ngayibona abantu abasonga aba introduced kubo ngalahleka ngayiduka endleleni but manje iqiniso sengiyalibona sengiyimatured sengilibonile iqiniso sengiyabona ukuthi umuntu wami ngempela nangu umuntu wami ngenza mistake lo muntu loyo ngizomamukela on one condition ukuthi njengoba usubuya namhlanje nje uyalibona na imistake yakho fundeni into oyifundile into enza ukuthi ubone ukuthi I'm the one for you
on the other hand uzobunga movanga on uzobulinde yena
uyabona wena mntu sengadepend ukuthi umuntu nomuntu uyabona uma ngabe ukuthi bengithande yena ngekho umunye umuntu engimthandile
ungaka move on
ngeke ngimove on ngeke ngikwazi abanye abantu ngizoba mhlawumbe ngenzeka kube ngizomthola omunye ngizodlala ngesikhathi nje because inhliziyo yami isesekuloya angimovanga on yabo up until lo abuyi because really ngisengathandana namantombazana ayi10 ayi20 but uthola ukuthi inhliziyo yami isesekuloya angamove on
no mntu eating change
code angazi
I'm with you
enye into unga
ukeme kuphi
complicated
ukuthi mina ngime kuphi
kule point lama questions owabuzayo
okay
ukuthi okay you'll be waiting for 5 years of which to most women or to most men akwenzeki ukuthi ulinde umuntu for 5 years ophinde wayisho futhi ukuthi abuye seyinabantwana abayi5 no angeke abe nabantwana abayi5 kanti bedalelwe wena
yabe ngibuza kuleyo point ukuthi mabe ukuthi bedalelwe wena useyabuya ke lo muntu obedalelwe wena as a sign ukuthi sengibuyile yebo
going back to our question
yeah
why do we think men kill women asibe kuma genuine relationships from the start when you meet a woman iba naye that relationship must be built on honesty ukuthi you truly love them let's not buy women I'm starting to think that all the men ababulala abantu besifazane bangena ku relationship bethenga abantu besifazane to be their property whenever they are shooting killing them they think they are destroying their property of which is that's not the case guys please here is a message to you all out there any chenge ama women ukuthi be property yenu you might as well get out of that relationship because a woman will never be your property une soul yakhe une life yakhe uyakwazi ukwenza decisions wakhe une mind yakhe so if ever wena unika imali yakho ucanga uzomcontroller abe yitoy yakho you are wrong kusasa uzo end up umbulele if every relationship yakho I think it's time to check our relationships with you are they based on money or are they based on honesty now
yes once a relationship has no communication once a relationship ingena trust once a relationship loyalty ingekho like there's no relationship there you need to start looking at yourselves guys kamampela and like nenze ama self introspections kulama relationship ngo because we honestly siyahlala kuma relationship angekho right because of angazi whatever reasons and that's why we end up being killed because ujike socikekile wena songasafuni awusazi ukuthi uphume kanjani ngoba ungene for all the wrong reasons kuleyo relationship nje from it go
Okay, ngiyakuthola. Ngithi sorry cause kwathi ukuthi story sakho sithi. Sorry ukuthi kwadlula esimene sifana naleso senzima. I think baningi futhi abantu besimama badlule ezimene ezifana nalezo. I believe futhi as much as namanye amadoda out there nawo ayahlukumezeka ngandlela thizeni so ngithi nje sorry kubo bonke abantu abadlule kulezo zimo ezifana nalezo but ama point ngiyawezwa ngiyathola ukuthi kahle ngikutholayo kunini ukuthi nje it's wrong kahle even nama reasons noma ekhona nethi asiyamsana lawo ma reasons it's wrong noma athiwa ikhona ke reason ekwenza ukuthi angimbulale or angimshaya or angimeza into ethile but it's wrong or ngiyangazi ngizwe mina mangenizwa kakhulu ni emphasize indaba ukuthi nje
it's wrong
super
wrong ukungenelela kulento isho futhi askis another thing it's not only women man that get abused and killed also men get abusing kanani quite frankly because uphuma ku relationship a toxic ube abuse la uphuma khona instead of healing and trying to get yourself or find yourself ungena kwenye relationship or aware ukuthi ngisuka neenga yakule relationship engiphuma kuyo ngingena neenga kwenye relationship each and every little mistake ozoyenza kimi umuntu wesilisa ngizolesha out ngizofuna ukuphakamisela isandla ngizokupusha ngizokwenza into eziningi angazi noma you understand you're a man you're human you've got feelings you've got emotions lezo zinto zenzeka phakathi indoors no one sees them you understand and then once you start retaliating then it becomes a problem you understand why is that
please
why mele kube kanjalo once you guys start retaliating inkinga then the community starts seeing you as a monster now abazi ukuthi leyo nto iqale phi isuka phi so guys you need to stop abusing us so that we stop abusing other people then I think izo limita a situation here yokubulalana ukuthi ubani ubulale bani ubani akabulalanga bani
valid point
izo limita I think anyway
point no sithe ukuyixoxa le ndaba I believe I solution ibe khona I hope wonke umuntu uyayithola I solution in closing ngiqale ngawe ngale Thozamile in closing your last words before I topic yanamhlanje
well in closing ngiyazi kunzima but for amadoda mawazame abe strong when mawenza into for your wife or your wife umawumse esikolweni umfundisa umuntu expect ukuthi umuntu just do it out of your love do know ukuthi umuntu naye angakujikela even though akumelanga uyicabanga leyo nto uyifake engqondweni yakho but umuntu naye so mawuthando oluphelile no forced kind of uthando lunga forced kuphelile bafethu zama indlela nje ukuthi just get away ukuthi move on maliphelile luphelile
in closing nje sesiyavala ngiyabona nawe ngathi siyafuneka ngaphandle in closing nje your last words ngayo le topic
I want to say to men guys we cannot always have it our own way kuma relationships sometimes sizotifara ngama views sometimes and umuntu wesifazane akekho etuzani nawe ukuthi aphilele ukuthi aseve whatever that you want in a relationship nenza what you both want if ever you happen to raise something ofuna ukuthi yenzeke then it happens that partner yakho would decide otherwise that's not a reason to abuse them accept ukuthi akukho akafili kanjalo ku relationship kumele ukuthi you must both be happy about whatever akukho kumele aforce omnye bulldoze omnye ngenye indlela because lo uspendela lo you cannot invest ku human being because now une mind yakhe une soul yakhe so awukwazi ukuthi you cannot have i-reason ukuthi umbulale. So we are against leyo nto leyo. I think futhi if ever sinezinkinga esinazo, let's try to kunama counseling kunabantu bacancelayo. You can go to counseling because whenever umuntu ezobulala umuntu ayiqali that day nto iyayenzeka for a long period, for isikhathi eside. That is why amanye amadoda uyawuza ukuthi hayi waqala wenza ukuthi you should have seek help from the start. Asikho strong enough. Let's go to counseling. Let's go to Mandla, go watch lapha kuma platforms athile. You can go to gender Sisonke gender group and talk about these things. Guys, let's start talking about these things. Asiye ukuxoxa ngotshwala amantombazana nogwayila. Let's talk about serious issues.
Thank you Mzolisto.
Yeah, nami ngiyufada mindlo sengivala nje ngithi no yazi kahle ngicabanga ukuthi thina singamadoda asistophe lento ukuthi mhlambe sicabanga ukuthi abantu besifazane bangama properties ethu. Ngicela nje ukuthi futhi ngemphasize konke amadoda ukuthi no yazini madoda amandla endoda wapheli. Awungathi mhlambe ngoba uyithole mhlambe usuluze isithandwa sakho noma aziphi indlela okuzokwenza ngazo ukuthi ugcine usiluzile. Ngicela ukuthi wazi ukuthi usesenamandla ukuthi ungaphinda uthole esinye isithandwa samwe. Ngalawo mandla lawo okwazi ukuthi usithole isithandwa sakho sasiqaleni. Usengakwazi ukuthi futhi uphinde uthole esinye isithandwa. So asikwazi nje lokho ukuthi no amandla endoda wapheli.
Danke. Awukho ukuvala thini sithi.
Sisazokhuluma and they've said it all.
Yeah.
So the only thing I would say, just for advice, get out of that toxic relationship while you still can. Just get out of it. Stop ukhlalela indaba ukuthi unomntana nomuntu. Stop ukhlalela insecurity. Stop trying to stay for something ukuthi doesn't even exist or even ngeke zikuvuse ethuneni masoshonile. So get out of those toxic relationships.
Hayi. Sibonga kakhulu njengoba nizwile indaba nje ukuthi there is no excuse for kushaya umuntu, there is no excuse for ukubulala umuntu, there is no excuse. Yebo basilimaza abanye ngadlela thizene but akumelanga sibuyisele back. Kunoma ngabe yipi issue but kuyo yona le kakhulu we are here. Sisazokhuluma sithi njena ayiphele konke amadoda sithi madoda ake sehlisene umoya. Whatever problem obhekana nayo thola somebody. If akwazi ukukhuluma nomngani khuluma nobaba, mawakwazi ukukhuluma nobaba khuluma na somebody out there. I think mina akhona vele ama platforms akhona nje asiwaza amanye akhona mhlambe nama platforms lawo asiza amadoda is time la kumele bazi avele khona basenze nathi sibe aware ukuthi bakhona ngoba kwesisikhathi ngiyasaba ukuthi ngivele ngikhulume ngibonakale ngifuna ukukhuluma ngibe anonymous yabo. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi into efana lezo kumele zibe khona. So ngalawo mazwi siyabonga ukuthi sesubukele wazofika la. I hope this was not just a waste of time futhi I believe ukuthi le topic ibe fruitful. Nibe nosuku oluhle olumnandi thina sisazokhuluma the way forward. Danke siyabonga.